So this is why these Asian people, these Chinese, are able to eat seafood, raw fish, and meat, because they add this kind of sauce to it, and they'll be eating the fish and the meat. Who wants to challenge? So delicious. It's so delicious. It's spicy as well. Mamma mia. Man, this kind of feelings is equivalent to something else. Hello brothers, sisters. I do a record here. So I just found this product over here. It says 2x spices. So it's kind of noodles. And then, man, I've seen some videos on the internet, really spicy. So I want to try this to see if indeed it's that really spicy, and I'll bring some to Africa or to Ghana. So man, you can do some challenges with this. Those who claim that they love pepper, yeah, you're gonna see about that. I'm making a try first, yeah. So before we start everything, I will put some water on fire. But you have to boil this noodles with hot water, yeah. So man, so this is a full package, and it's 5 pieces inside. So let me try this thread. You know, noodles and this stuff they come in small package. When you open like this, you have the noodles inside, and the hot sauce, you have it at the side. Okay, this is a chicken flavor, so the chicken flavor thing. And where is the hot sauce? So this is the hot sauce. Okay, so this is what will make the difference. Yeah. Okay, it is what it is. Yeah. So now we have our boiling water, and the noodle will go inside like this. So each of this comes with the sauce. Plus, alongside I have some good stuff. So now I have 3 pepper sauce with 3 chicken livers. You have to cook this for like 6 minutes or even less, depending on your temperature. I'm adding in the ingredients. Okay, so the chicken flavor. Yeah, this is a chicken flavor, 3 packs. So all going in like this. Chicken flavor. Then the first pepper sauce will go in like this. So this is 2x spicy, meaning 2 times hot. And it's gonna be crazy. See? I will stir in. I can feel some sweat. Anyway, it is what it is. Like this. It is what it is. Yeah, so since I know, like, I've seen video reactions and this is hot, man, I can't risk myself. So I have some milk over here. You know, when you have hot spices, you can use, or hot pepper, you can use milk to quench instead of water. The more you drink water, the more it worsens the case. So I have some milk over here, just in case I'm not able to do this. I just use the milk to quench, yeah. Man, so you see that, so, ooh. So this kind of challenge, yeah, and I'll be doing more in Ghana. When I come to Ghana, I'll be doing more. So those of you who think they like pepper, let's do this. I'm scared to make a bite. Wow. Wow. And I'm sweating already. Man, I love pepper, but this is too much. Man, it's crazy. The way it's burning, you can't even chew it for long. So this is why these Asian people, these Chinese, are able to eat seafood, raw food. Man. That's why they're able to eat raw fish and meat, because they add this kind of sauce to it and they'll be eating the fish and the meat. Man, I can't. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Man, who wants to challenge? Who wants to challenge? Man, this is self-challenge. That's why I'm drinking it. But on a proper challenge, you're not allowed to drink unless you finish. So delicious. It's so delicious. It's spicy as well. Mamma mia. Man, this kind of feelings is equivalent to something else. Mamma mia. Man, who wants to challenge? Who wants to challenge? The next challenge, I'll put money on top, man. If you like pepper, let's meet in GH. Are you pepper fan? You like pepper? Let's meet in GH and let me show you. Show to me that you love pepper, and indeed, you can squander this 2x spices noodle. Mamma mia. Let's meet again for shizzle maneza. Man, make nasa. Make nasa.